Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Saturday, June 17th. Time is around 4:45 GMT, and we will have a look at the NASDAQ futures on the Wanda platform. So it's weekend, markets are closed, but in the weekend I typically have a look at the higher time frame, the weekly, the daily, for an analysis for investors, but also as a preparation for trading week, to see which trades we can take next week, or to see what's the main direction, which direction should we follow. And so my take on the Nasdaq is that we did a good impulse up here as a wave one, which ended in November 21, and then we came down as a wave two. Something important is that we did not fulfill the minimum requirements for a wave two. So normally we should retrace to the 0.5 FIP retracement to this area, but this did not happen. However, from here we had a nice push up. This looks impulsive, which might be a sign that we are starting this higher degree wave three. So if this wave too low was in, then we also know the target area for this higher wave degree three. This you can find by taking the length of your wave one, the length of your wave two, and then the area. I did not do it correctly, so should be somewhere here. I further have to zoom in for this, but then here this area becomes our target. But I have to tell you, this can take years to play out. So we also will not go up in a straight line. We will move in five ways. And actually, as long as we do not take out this high, there is still a possibility that our wave too low was not in yet. Like it could be that this here, that we still have to make our wave C, and that this plays out, that we had a wave A here to the downside, that this is a wave B, and that we will now have a wave C to the downside. And if this plays out, then we know, assuming that this is the high of the wave B, the high we made on Friday, then the target area becomes this area here between the 1 and 1.618 FIP extension, which would look actually more than a wave 2 than what we have now. But I cannot make this my primary scenario. As you can see, there is quite some separation between this low and the current price. So for the moment, it rather looks like we've started this wave 3 to the upside, then making another low. So this is my primary scenario for now. If we further zoom in to the daily, and by the way, if you like my analysis, if you like my charts, you can now also access them. So you can view and copy them in TradingView. There's a link in the description below, so please have a look there if you are interested in my charts, so you do not have to replicate them. Now, if we look at the daily, so this was here our wave 2 low, and this as you can see is really impulsive. So we had our wave 1 or wave 2, and then we started to move up. We also took out here divergence. So yeah, for now I have to assume that this wave 3 is ongoing. However, in the bullish scenario, what would happen in the bearish scenario? I mean that we make another wave 2 low. This can still be an ABC, like this could still be something like this: A, B, C. But then in let me put it no, like this here. This would be the alternative. If we are doing an ABC like this, so then this would be our B, and this can be here or ABC. Yeah, these are difficult patterns to trade. ABCs also do not end with divergence. So here it is difficult to see now what will happen. I would say in the shorter time frame, in the higher time frame we are still bullish, but it looks like if we analyze the 4 hour, this is what we will do on Monday for the trading day, the 4 hour, the 1 hour, and the 15 minute. It looks like this is ending here. We have divergence in the 4 hour. We are at the key resistance zone. We also have this is an important area from where we can return. Like this is our area between this that we can find by taking the length of this wave 1 and this wave 2. Here we are really at the upper boundary. We even had a small reaction on Friday from this upper boundary. So this could be the start of a pullback in the lower time frame. That does not mean that we have to get bearish in the higher time frame, but in the lower time frame we could have a pullback from here. And this is what we will analyze on Monday, the 4 hour, the 1 hour, the 15 minute, and see how we can trade this. I would say the main conclusion, like for investors, is here you cannot do anything. Maybe if you are long, you could consider start to take some profit as we see signs of a pullback in the lower time frame, and then you can go again long when there is some kind of pullback. So if we would have like a wave 4 here again, like in a ABC structure, then this pullback you have to buy as an investor. You do not buy here I only would start to consider taking profit. You do not buy here, you wait for the pullback. Like this was a pullback, a moment to buy. But if you are not long, do not buy here, but wait for the pullback. If you are long, I would think about taking some profits. You do not have to close your complete position or sell all your NASDAQ stocks, but partially taking some profit here would be a good idea, I think. Okay, so that's my analysis of the higher time frame. If you like it, please then push the like button, subscribe or comment in order to support my work. Would be really nice, so I can further grow this channel. And on Monday we continue with an analysis of the lower time frame, the 4 hour, the 1 hour, and the 15 minute. Thank you for watching and have a nice weekend. Bye bye.